Hello merchants. We at Phonepe have come up with a simple and effective POS to help you accept payments from customers. Introducing India's POS. It works like a calculator with payment functionality. Let's show you a quick demo. When a customer is at your billing counter, all you need to do is calculate the amount and press pay. The blue light will start blinking. The device is now waiting for the customer to make a connection. The customer opens the Phonepe app and clicks Scan and Pay. The customer selects the POS option for payment and brings the phone close to the calculator. The blue light on the calculator will now become solid, confirming that a connection has been established. The customer can now pay using their debit card, credit card, UPI bank account or wallet. Let's select the UPI option and press Pay. Once the customer enters the PIN on their phone, the payment is successful. A solid green light goes on to indicate a successful payment to the cashier, and the screen shows Success. The cashier doesn't have to check the phone to confirm if the payment was made and can attend to other customers. Now, let's show you what happens in case of a failed transaction. If you've entered the incorrect amount and want to cancel the transaction, all you need to do is press the Abort button followed by 1, and the payment will get cancelled on both sides. If the customer cancels the payment from their phone, the solid red light will indicate the failure of the transaction. No more mistakes, no more confusion. You can now start using Phonepe's POS device for quick, simple and error-free payments. It's that simple. Phonepe, India's payments app.